Welcome back to Western New York Living and the WECK Radio Local Business Spotlight segment.
There are so many options today for insurance, whether it be for your vehicle, home, or retirement. With all the coverage options, many don't know where to begin. At Bob White Insurance Agency, each one of their clients is given a dedicated team of experts to address all of your concerns. And joining me now to tell us more from our WECK Local Business Spotlight, Bob White Sr. and Bob White Jr. Thank you both for being here. Good to see you again.
Hi, Kevin.
Thanks, Kevin.
Well, let's talk about parents and insurance when it comes to covering our kids and their cars, and there's some vulnerability there. Where are parents most vulnerable right now, Bob?
Yeah, there's three issues that parents should look to see in the event that the kid wants to go on his own or the parent wants them on their own. One, when they hit somewhere at age 22-ish, they move out, rent, or buy a house or lease a car. That's a premier thought for the parent to consider letting their son or daughter go on their own. The danger of the young driver on the policy always falls back to liability, the parent paying that price either in their rates or with a lawsuit. That's where we come in. We make sure their limit of liability that they're carrying doesn't put them in trouble, and we make sure that they have the right coverages. In the event they've been with that carrier for a number of years, they're probably underinsured.
Yeah, and those are things where you can recommend how to be fully insured, how to protect things, Bob Jr., to really look at the entire picture, right?
Absolutely. And one of the things that a lot of people are doing nowadays is they're buying online or they're calling a 1-800 number. We stress not to do that. A lot of mistakes can be made. One wrong click of a mouse, pick the wrong coverage, you could have thousands of dollars on the back end come a claim. A lot of inexperienced consumers that they don't know how to write their own insurance. They don't know how much is enough, what they need. That's why we suggest you call us. Experienced, you could trust us. We have 20 companies we shop it through, and we won't guide you wrong.
Now let's talk about the 20 different companies that you work with. What does that mean to me, the consumer, when I come in and meet and you make all the recommendations?
Yeah, that's an excellent point. Take the TV commercials we have on TV, the big advertisers. Those companies, there's only one choice. That agent that works for them only has one place to go. So you either fit and you like their rate, or the opposite is us. Multiple companies, multiple guidelines. Every company has a sweet spot. Who likes mid-20-year-olds? Who likes the senior market? We have a vast number of places to go and give the client a choice. That's not done with those big companies that are on TV.
And when you talk about buying online, there are other options in insurance too, like umbrella policies too, that aren't addressed when you're looking at an auto insurance. That's something that I'm sure you discuss with your clients.
Yeah, and that's the other thing too with the online. People look and say, I'm going to get for the cheapest price I can get, and that's where they get in trouble. We're going to offer coverages, and if you don't want them, that's fine, but at least you know what's out there, how to protect yourself the right way.
Yeah, and Bob, with all your years of experience, experience matters, right? Things happen. You've probably seen it all.
I've heard it all, I've seen it all. So I'd rather pose those coverages to the client, just like the old TV commercial, you make the call.
Yeah.
At least you're aware of it, and the umbrella is the important coverage today, the personal umbrella policy, because of TV commercials, all those phone numbers that we're bombarded with. They're coming after you, folks. They're coming after you. Your policy, your assets. Let us protect it.
All right, if you're looking for insurance options, then I suggest you give Bob White Insurance Agency a call. They represent over 20 carriers to get you the best coverage at the best price. Their offices are located at 1045 Worley Drive in Williamsville, right next to Charlie the Butcher. Give them a call today, 836-2222, or visit their website, bobwhiteinsurance.com. Well, that wraps up our show for this Saturday morning. Thanks again for tuning in. Remember, catch us every Saturday morning at 10 a.m. We'll bring you an entirely new show filled with great guests. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. We'll see you soon.
This segment of Western New York Living was sponsored by the following: